I chose the University of Guelph because it really spoke to me. I love the water. I spent a lot of time snorkeling, free diving, or scuba diving. I was free diving in the Mediterranean. I felt a whoosh past my right ear, and at the time I didn't know what it was, but it turned out to be one of the Mediterranean marlin species. But I swear that fish turned around and looked at me and said, "You don't belong here," as it turned its dinner-sized plate eye back to me. And I surfaced and I screamed to my family that I was going to do marine biology, and I chased that moment ever since. I'm a student at the University of Guelph in our marine and freshwater biology program. I'm in my 4th year currently, and I took the marine and oceanography field course under Dr. Crawford, and it was an amazing experience. It's a really big cornerstone for my program. The professors who teach me and the older students who guide me, they've all taken the program. They all told me that I would make friends, that I would never forget in that program. All I found out to be true. The course felt like a simulation of what it's like to work at the Marine Science Huntsman Center, wake up on your own schedule, get to the lab, or get to the field depending on what you had to do that day. We learned so much, we met so many new people, made so many connections, met so many Guelph alumni, and it has a lot of involvement with the Pescataway Nation over in New Brunswick. And we got to meet the community, work with the community, and it was very uplifting to see what science can do towards assisting in Canadian Indigenous communities. Being so close with my peers, people who I know I'm passionate with, it was amazing to meet these people. And to be with them for 14 days as we went on tours, we worked, and we bonded over how challenging the deadlines might be, or how intense the lab time might be, or our animals who may have escaped. It was quite funny, even though we were all working hard. We were working hard together. And now when I see these friends I've made in my classes, it feels great. Not only have I made friends, but I've made mentors, and I've also made references. The professors who I work under, there are people who I can reference for future jobs. There are people who will vouch for me for those positions. The connections I've made, people in my program, who will become peers, and they'll be working alongside me in the future. And it's great to know that if I run into them, I will have a connection we can always call back to, a good, happy connection we can call back to. And it seems like I've set myself up for a more successful career because of this field course. Everywhere, in DFO, for example, in Canada, a lot of the agents are Guelph alumni. When it comes to the world of biology, Guelph owns it. It made me feel like I was in the right place, following the right path. Even now that I'm applying towards jobs back in Belgium, biology jobs, they know Guelph. They've heard of Guelph as the aquaculture school, as the marine bio school. It's really made me feel like I'm in the right place for exactly what I want to do. We are the bio school, and I'm proud to say that I'm going to University of Guelph.